Namaste children. Today I am going to start the chapter 1 Political Theory and Introduction given in your second book Political Theory. This is part 1. So in this part I am going to explain you about the politics, political science and political theory. So let's begin with the first topic, or you can say first question. What is politics? Student, you would have noticed that people have different ideas about what politics is. If we will talk about the leaders and persons who contest elections and hold political office, may argue that it is a kind of public service. Some others associate politics with manipulation and intrigue undertaken to pursue ambitions and satisfy wants. Few think of politics as what politicians do. They making false promises and tall claims, manipulating different sections, and say politicians are playing politics and playing dirty tricks. It is unfortunate that politics has come to be associated with the pursuit of self-interest by any and every method. We need to realize that politics is an important and integral part of any society. Once Mahatma Gandhi observed that politics envelops us like the coils of a snake, and there is no other way out but to wrestle with it. Students, no society can exist without some form of political organizations and collective decision making. Here question is, what is significance of politics? So you can write that politics is very important for the progress and development of the society. It is required for arriving at just decisions and removing injustice in society. A number of social institutions such as family, tribes, economic institutions have emerged to help people fulfill their needs and aspirations. Such institutions have emerged to help us find ways to living together, acknowledging our obligations to each other. Fine. And among such institutions, governments play an important part. How governments are formed and how they function is thus an important focus of politics. But politics is not confined to the affairs of government. In fact, what government do is relevant because it affects the lives of people in many different ways. Government make economic, foreign, educational policies. These policies can help to improve the lives of people, but insufficient and corrupt government can also endanger people's lives and security. Now question is, how ordinary people carry out politics? So the actions of the government affect us deeply. We take a lively interest in what government do. We form associations and organize campaigns to articulate our demands. Now what is political science? Students, political science is a social science. Disciplines like sociology, history or economics. Political science is defined as the branch of knowledge that deals with states and system of government. Political science investigates the nature of states, the function performed by governments, voters' behavior, political parties, their ideologies, political culture and public opinions, and many other related topics. Students, the father of political science, Aristotle, had called political science a master science. Now the one important point is, what is main difference between politics and political science? So the term politics refers to the current problems of the government, and the politics is the practical aspects of political science, while political science is the academic aspects of politics. Political activities are the laboratories of political science. Political science is more of a science, while politics is more of an art. Political science is a subject which imparts knowledge about states and government. Politics is more flexible than political science. Political science studies international relations and international organizations. Political science studies power, authority, legitimacy, etc. And political science begins and ends with states, because political science deals with the origin and ends of the states. Political science studies the present, past and future of the state. Now look this cartoon. This cartoon represents the demerits of politicians. Mostly you see that leaders tell a lie frequently, even in family, to influence their young ones adversely. And politics is considered a dirty tricks, or you can say dirty game, on the principle of everything is fair to win the power. Now, what is political theory? Students, political theory is the study of the phenomena of the state both from philosophical as well as empirical points of view. In simple words, you can say political theory about what is political science and the philosophy of something that is political. Political theory helps us better understand the concepts that have shaped our politics, including freedom, equality, justice, democracy, etc. And we can say that political theory is the part of political science. This is all about the part 1. In the part 2, we will discuss about the what we study in political theory, why we study political theory, or what is the scope of political theory. Thank you.